Alright, we're going to make a quiz up in Python that will ask us 5 questions. What year was Python created? Who invented it? What year did Apollo 11 happen? What is the capital of Brazil? And what year was YouTube created? Alright, let us begin with input. Hello, what is your name? That's the person's name. And I'm just going to print out hello, name. Let's start. Input set time dot sleep equals true. Alright, first question, what year is Python created? So let's input, can add a variable called q1 to question 1. What year was Python created? And let's say if q1 equals, actually, wait, was Python created? Wait, hold on. Okay, apparently 1991 by this guy. Alright, keep that in mind. 1991, and print correct. And actually, I want to keep a score. I want to actually keep a score, so I think I'll have a variable called score up here equals 0 or plus 1. Let's see. Incorrect answer is 1991. There you go. Alright, next one, Q2. Who invented it? Q2 equals Guido. Just copy it actually. Guido Variation. I think I'm gonna put this a dot lower. Alright, and now I just have to do this all over again. I'm gonna speed it up. Alright, did all of them. So I did Apollo 11, which is 1969. It's the capital of Brazil, Brasilia. And then what year was YouTube created? 2005. Alright, now let's see. Let's print out the name, and then you say you scored this much on this test, which means that you got this much percent. Alright, so you can say print that you got score. I don't know if you can add plus though. I think we'll have to convert it into a string. Plus str score plus out of 5 on name. And we can just say, I think we can add time dot sleep again, which means you scored. Alright, actually, wait, let's do math for this actually. I'm gonna say percent score divided by 100, right? No, multiple. Divided by 5 multiplied by 100. That's what it's supposed to be. So which means you scored percent. Convert that into a string actually. There you go. Time dot sleep again. Thank you for taking this quiz. Smiley face. Alright, that's it. 64 lines. Let's run it. Hello, what is your name? Actually, my name is Daniel. Hello, Daniel. Welcome to this quiz. Let's start. What year was Python created? 1991. Wait, incorrect answer. Okay, hold on. It's supposed to integer then. I just have to do the same thing with Q3. Alright, let's do this again. Here's Python 1991. Finally, we invented it. Awesome. There you go. 1969, I think. I think it's Brasilia. I don't remember. Oh, wow. 2005. Correct. You got 5 out of 5 in this quiz, which you got nice. 100.0. Alright, we need to remove this 0. Oh yeah. Alright, let me do it over and see if it works. There we go. Which means you scored 100. There we go. It works. Alright, let's see if the wrong answers work. What is your name? I think Python was created in 1950. Incorrect. Alright. Someone named George. Oh god, no. 1969. I remember that. Real? Nope. 2005. Alright. It should say, there we go. Ah, it works. It works. Guys, the quiz, the Python. That is a quiz in Python. And yeah, that's it.